guys. I just wanted to do a quick check-in. I had one student reach out saying that he could not view any of his graded assignments, and I thought that was very strange, so I looked into it, and apparently Blackboard had a couple minor issues about whether or not you guys could view what I have graded. So your grades have been up for a while. I just went into Blackboard and reset all of the availability and viewing capabilities. So you guys should be able to access what I've graded so far. And I've graded almost everything, except maybe items that are due this Friday or this Sunday, depending on your class. So yes, I have been grading. I'm sorry if your grades were not visible until now, but that should be corrected. So make sure you go into Blackboard today and take a look at your grades. I am a pretty consistent, quick grader, so you should be able to keep an eye on your grade throughout the semester. Typically, I do not have students who come to me at the end saying, I'm failing, because all of my students have the ability to know exactly where they stand in the course at any time. I think that's only fair. So if you go into your grade book, into My Grade Center, you should be able to see, what your grades are, what the assignment's value is, and, have a general sense of how you're doing in the course. If you have any questions about that, please, please, please feel free to email me. And occasionally I still have students asking me, when is this due? Is this the right date for this? So I just want to make sure at any time you guys know that you have under important course information, go to your schedule. I'm going to have to move this over a little bit. And pretty much every single date for the entire semester is up here. So, you guys have exams coming up. That's on here. When your behavior feedback should be due, personality paper, any of that kind of thing. So if you have any questions about future assignments, please feel free to email me, but all of the dates are in here. So hope you're having a great week. Bye, guys.